Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Login It. In this video, I will guide you on how to create QR code in Adobe Express. Adobe Express is a platform where you can create any kind of document of your choice. So if you want to create QR code in Adobe Express, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, open your Adobe Express application or open Adobe Express in browser. Here I'm opening Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type express.adobe.com. Press enter. Here you can see you're led to the official website of Adobe Express. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now in order to create the QR code, simply scroll down. Under the suggested quick action section, you can see several options over here. See more options by simply clicking on this sign over here. Now you can see generate QR code option over here. All you have to do is click on this option. Now you can see generate QR code box has appeared over here. So you need to paste the link of anything that you want to generate QR code of. Simply click on this box and paste the link. Now click on the style option. Here you can select several styles. You can also select the border. You can also select marker center. Select the options that you like the most. You can also select the color. Select the color of your choice. Now click on file format. Here you can see file format. If you click on this, you can see several format options. Click on the format that you want to save your QR code. Now simply click on download button over here. Now open the file. You can see here you just generated the QR code for your document, file, vlog or anything that you wanted to. If anyone scans this QR code, they'll be led to the document that you had created the QR code for. So that is how you create the QR code in Adobe Express. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.